Hi, Zach Pater here, River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. What a good looking boat to take you through today. This here's an 86 Sea Ray 340 Express, very popular boat from Sea Ray, and we're going to take a little bit closer look at it. Start right back here on the back of the boat. You'll see that nice big swim platform. Does have a big walk-through entry door, and you'll see the full canvas top enclosure. Looking at the aesthetics of the boat, it's a sharp looking boat. They do a good job with their big bow rails. See the fender racks up front, remote spotlight. Nice big walk-arounds on the boat, windows going inside the boat. Nice stainless steel rails up on the bow if you want to sit out. And you got your anchor held up in the front. From there, let's take a look inside the boat. As we step inside, you're going to notice the big thing with the Express is all the cockpit space and all the cockpit seating. It's a very open designed boat, nice storage underneath the back seats there. Work your way around. You've got actually steps to go over the side of the boat to enter and exit the boat. Nice big back bench seat, table back here, just a lot of room to entertain. Work our way forward, and again you got the two forward facing seats. Very big, they're very comfortable, certainly oversized if you will. Work our way over at the captain's seat. It's a replica of the passenger seat. Again, nice and oversized. I do like the way they cut out the backs to keep it a little bit cooler when you're in here. Looking at the helm setup here, traditional Sea Ray helm. And so you've got GPS, you've got your VHF radio, easy to use buttons and switches. Everything's very well labeled. I like how they do their system monitoring thing. That's pretty cool. Just overall a good looking dash setup on this 340 Express. We're going to take a walk down inside the cabin, but first and foremost, look at how big the entry is to get inside the cabin of this boat. That you just don't see nowadays. It really brings the cabin outdoors, or the indoors outdoors. Just kind of opens it up to be a nice big open area. As you work inside the boat, you're going to see some very nice flooring, beautiful woodwork. The layout is certainly appealing. Nice big island bed in the front. You've got a big dinette. Upholstery and fabrics have been updated. The boat does have air conditioning. It's got actually digital air, updated stereo with Bluetooth. You got a TV with a DVD player, storage underneath, your little wet bar area here. Work your way back around to the starboard side of the boat, and you've got your galley. Very nice big galley. Your cooktop, microwave, refrigerator is right underneath. Nice amount of storage. Just a good looking overall setup in this 340 Express. And before we exit the inside, we got to look at the head compartment. Do a nice job with the little hookup there. Nice wood door. Trimmed out very, very nicely. Work your way inside. You got fiberglass lined floors, full-size mirror, your sink, electric flush head. Just a good looking overall head compartment for this 340 Express.
Yeah, we put a couple of boxes.
So there's a quick video walk around to this 340 Express, a very good looking boat. I'd be glad to answer any questions you have or set up a time to view. Again, I am Zach Pater here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and I appreciate you taking the time to view our video.